Children, now note down your homework. Open your EVS workbook, page number 21. The chapter name is I Love My Seasons. What to do? You can see here some pictures, means activities. Write S for summer, W for winter, and R for the rainy season. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pictures are there. You have to find out the pictures that which season are showing. Okay. So first picture you can see two children are there, and they are playing with paper boat. They are floating the paper boat onto the water. The boy is wearing raincoat and he is holding umbrella, and it's raining. So clearly you can say it's rainy season. So here you will write R. Capital cursive R you will write, okay. Then second picture, the man is lying on the camp bait, means beach area, and it's sun, and he is drinking juice. So it's clearly say that it's about summer season. So here you will write S. Next, here the girl is swimming, and swimming is better for summer season, okay, because winter we can't swimming because it's too much cold. That's why the picture is saying about the summer season. Next picture you can see here some person are there, and the fire is burning, and they have wearing that woolen clothes. So it's about winter season. Next you can see there is thunderstorm, and the cloud, dark cloud. So it's about rainy season. Next, the boy is skating on ice, and he is wearing woolen clothes, then caps, gloves, everything. So it's about winter season. Right, W. Next, here also same thing. One snowman is here, and two children are playing with the snowman. They are enjoying so much, and they have wear the woolen clothes. So it's clearly said that about winter season. Next, two children are playing near about the beach area, and here you can see sun, and it's too much hot, okay, because they are wearing that cotton clothes. That's why it's about summer season. Next, the last picture you can see one boy is sitting near the pond, and he is catching fish, and he is wearing the clothes, that cotton clothes, and he's put a cap from protect him from the sunlight. So it's about summer season, okay. So this is your homework for today. Write your HW and today's date. Today is 16 August, means 16/08/2021. Then go to the next page, page number 22. It's also your homework, so write your HW and date. What to do? Let's review. Match the objects with their corresponding seasons. You can see the pictures that 3 seasons are mentioned here. First one is summer, second is rainy, and third is winter. So you can see left side some pictures are there, and right side also some pictures. You have to match with the season, okay. First one you can see umbrella. Umbrella we can use for summer season and rainy season also, because summer season we can use umbrella to protect us from sunlight and heat. For that, protect us from the raining. So you can draw the line here and here, because both the season, summer and rainy, we can use umbrella. Next, This is muffler. So muffler we can use that winter season. You see there is snowman, and snowman also having muffler. So you should draw the line here. Next, sunglass. Sunglass we should use every time, but especially for summer we use sunglass to protect our eyes from sunlight. So summer. Next is raincoat. Easily you can understand that raincoat we should use in the rainy season. Then right side part, right side column, you can see first picture is about ice cream, and ice cream is especially we are having at the time of summer season. Next is tender coconut. Coconut water also we are having in the time of summer season because it's very cold and energetic. So we get energy from this coconut water, and summertime we need to hydrate our body. Next is frog. Frog we commonly usually we have seen in the time of rainy season. So it goes for rainy season. And the last one you can see woolen clothes means sweater, and you easily know that sweater we are wearing in the time of winter season. Okay, so this is also your homework for today.